have a father that's very sick, and he was forced to retire off his job. Workers' Comp granted his case a catastrophic case,
Right.
and they're paying for all his medical bills, but his lawyer got him an evaluation, and once he got the evaluation, he was declared mentally incompetent, and they said that he would never be able to do another job or function on another job. My father has been trying to settle out but due to his terminal illness so he could go ahead and buy him a home, but he's not able to get through to anyone. He's just stuck, like, with this catastrophic case, and we are stuck. We don't know what to do.
Well, Jane, you know, the problem, two things. One is, settling a claim is not something that one side can do. It takes both sides wanting to do that. And unfortunately, sometimes that's more difficult. I don't know who your father worked for, but there are employers right now, the state of Georgia being one of those, that they aren't settling cases, and so it doesn't matter how much you want to settle a case if your employer's the state of Georgia, they're just not. Another thing that you said he had a terminal illness, and of course, if they are aware of that illness, workers' comp benefits are paid to the injured worker while they're out of work and while they're not able to work. And even in a catastrophic designation, once if something happens to you, if you're riding in the car and there's an accident and you don't make it through the accident, then benefits stop. So if they are aware that there's a terminal illness, there's that's another incentive for the insurance company that's likely paying its benefits to not want to put money on that case, because they think, well, at some point in time they're not going to have to pay any more anyway. So there's it's certainly something I'd say, sit down and talk with an attorney. You said your father had an attorney. I'd recommend giving him or her a call, and going back in, sitting down with them and finding out what what they think you might be able to do.